And here's how to enable PHP Fileinfo extension in Cpanel. Go to your Cpanel and scroll down. Navigate to Software section. Under Software section, here you see select PHP version. Or you can use the search toolbox to find out select PHP version. Just click on that. And you directly jump into PHP selector dashboard. Here select extensions, and under extension here you will find all PHP available extensions. Here you have to find out this Fileinfo extension. Now to enable Fileinfo extension for PHP, just check this box and you have successfully turned on Fileinfo extension. And this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.